Do you like eating out? Do you like discounts? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use Inkind. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. So the Inkind app is only available in certain regions, so make sure that you check what region is available in. So first you need to open the app. You can download this from the Play Store or the Apple Store. And you need to tap on search to discover restaurants by location. You can discover them by name or your cuisine type. You can browse through thousands of participating venues, so make sure that you grab something that's tasty. You can dine normally at your chosen restaurant, and here's where Inkind comes in. When you're ready to pay, you simply tap on the pay button in the app, and there's no need for cash or cards. You pay seamlessly. So you enter your check number, which will be on your bill or your receipt, and you follow the intuitive prompt for a completely contactless payment experience. You now automatically earn 20% in-kind cashback on your meal. This excludes tips and any additional discounts. This is added directly to your wallet for future use. So you don't actually get the cashback, but you get the in-kind cash. One of the pro tips to maximize your rewards is to use your earned in-kind cash on future visits or save it up to accumulate bigger rewards for special occasions. The more you dine, the more you save.